Okay.
Anong feeling? Eto na.
We're excited talaga kasi finally we're about to launch officially today. It's a big day, so thank you sa lahat. We thank God and we thank for all the people, lahat na nagsama-sama para mangyari talaga to.
Ilang taon ba to? Ilang taon nyo to
ilang buwan?
inareglo?
Halos isang taon inareglo at talagang ang dami-daming pangyayari, ang dami-daming mga challenges bago na pumunta talagang finally we're here. And hindi siya madaling gawin, napakahirap gawin pero nagawa natin.
Si Paolo Abilino ang face of Pick
Yes,
Up.
Paula is our celebrity guest together with our very own Aramina, and nandito rin si Christine Reyes at marami pa celebrities mamaya na pwede nyong kausapin at makakakwentuhan.
Hindi endorser si Pao.
Parang gano'n na rin yun, di ba?
Paano nyo naisipang banggain yung isang malaking competition?
Well, kailangan natin, we need to provide the competition so people will have a better choice. And kailangan merong alternatibong iba pang mga pwedeng pamilian ang ating mga riding public para meron naman silang ibang choices, no? Kagaya ng pick up. At sisigurado natin mura, safe, at the same time safety. Yung safety importante sa yung goal natin and ma-afford ng mas marami.
So, ilan yung driver nyo?
So right now, nasa almost 1,000 and 6,000 more coming na pinaprocess natin kabuuan nito more or less. In the next weeks, until next few months, mga 7,000 to 10,000 na tayo.
Operational na kayo?
Yes, today,
As of
operational
today.
na tayo. Pwede ka na mag-book, pwede ka na mag-download, pwede ka nang...
Really?
Yes, and pwede nyo na matry after this. Pick up. Pick, yung parang sumilip, smooth ride. Sundot, hatid-hatid, sundo. O yan, gusto namin magkaroon ng magandang experience. Everything is about the experience ng ating passengers and ating driver partners. So, importante sa atin na may bahagi from Pickup's technology company to our driver partners to our passengers. Magkaroon sila ng magandang 5-star service. Yun yung tingin namin na magiging malaking factor dito. Yung pagiging hospitable ng mga Pilipino. Yun ang edge natin, being 100% Filipino.
Wow.
Wow.
Congratulations, finally. Long wait is over. Handa na po ba yung ticket na pagsabay?
Handang-handa na, and we've been waiting for this for a longest time, and we're excited. Me and my co-founder Jason are actually excited to be here with all of you. Nakikita nyo, ang dami nating mga bisita, ang dami nating nandito ang ating mga stakeholders, mga partners, at would-be partners natin. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, we have guests around the world, from Korea, from China, from the US, from Middle East, na talagang dinadayo tayo at very interested sila to partner with Pickup para di lang tayo pang Pilipinas, sooner or later ibang pamumundo na tayo.
Saan lahat ng bigan na kotse? Ano ba?
So right now, we're sa cars pa lang tayo, 4-seater and 6-seater, and we also helping our taxi operators, our taxis also, kasi gusto rin natin matulungan yung mga taxi partners natin. No? So sa ngayon ay cars pa lang ang focus natin, and eventually we'll actually part rin ng tinitingnan namin yung motorcycle, but for now ang focus natin ay cars. Okay?
Ano special role ni Ara dito?
Siyempre, siya rin. Kagaya ng tanong mo kay Paolo, ganun rin. Supportive rin siya sa atin, and being also the face of Pickup rin at sumusuporta gaya ni Paolo Abilino.
Thank you for giving us an option.
Thank you, and para sa sa Filipino people, maraming salamat at
Thank you, Dave.
Pickup, mag-download na kayo, mag-book na kayo. Maraming salamat.
Yes.